Have you ever wondered why some people always seem to get ahead, while others stay stuck in the same place, despite working just as hard? You're doing everything right, but something's holding you back. That something could be a habit that keeps you poor forever. In this video, we'll uncover 3 habits that could be sabotaging your financial future. These aren't just about money. They're about mindset, the way you think, the way you act, the way you live. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which habits to change and how to change them. So stay with me. The journey to financial freedom starts now. Let's start with the most common trap: spending more than you earn. You get paid, and what happens next? You buy that new phone, grab that shiny new gadget, go out for dinner with friends. It feels good, right? Instant gratification. But here's the thing. When you're constantly spending more than you make, your financial future is at risk. It's like water leaking from a broken bucket. No matter how much you try to fill it, it's always empty. Here's where things get tricky. You tell yourself, "It's okay, I'll save next month." But next month never comes, does it? The cycle repeats. And before you know it, your paycheck disappears faster than you can say, "I'll save later." This habit is silent, but deadly. It keeps you stuck, trapped in a cycle of never having enough. You see, when you spend more than you earn, you create debt. And debt is like a weight holding you down, keeping you from moving forward. But what if I told you there's a way out of this? What if you could start saving and investing right now? Here's the key. Pay yourself first. Before you spend a dime on anything else, take a portion of your income and put it away. No exceptions. Save first, then spend. Small changes add up. If you cut just 10% of your spending each month, that's money you can put toward your future, toward financial freedom. You have the power to break the cycle. It's up to you. Now, let's talk about the second habit: ignoring personal growth. We all get comfortable. We fall into routines. We wake up, go to work, come home, and the days go by, one after the other. The same. But here's the truth. Comfort kills growth. If you're not learning, if you're not improving, then you're staying exactly where you are. Imagine you're on a ladder, climbing up one step at a time. You've made progress, but then you stop. You think, "I'm fine here, I've made it." But that's a dangerous mindset. If you stop learning, you stop growing. And when you stop growing, the world keeps moving forward without you. Think about it. How many people do you know who have stayed in the same job for years? They haven't learned anything new. They haven't picked up any new skills. They haven't challenged themselves. That's why they're stuck. To build wealth, to build a future, you have to invest in yourself. You can't wait for opportunities to come to you. You have to create them. And here's the best part. When you start learning, you'll begin to notice something incredible. Your world will expand. You'll start to see opportunities you'd never saw before. So, make a commitment to yourself today. Learn something new. Pick up a book, take an online course, start a new side hustle. Push yourself out of your comfort zone. Because when you invest in your own growth, your life begins to change. Finally, let's talk about the third habit: avoiding smart investments. I get it. The idea of investing can be intimidating. The fear of losing money, the fear of making the wrong move. It's easy to just stick with what you know, right? But the reality is, if you're not investing your money, you're losing it. Inflation is eating away at your savings. Your money is sitting still while everything around you continues to grow and change. The longer you wait, the further behind you get. It's easy to be afraid of risk, but here's a secret. Every wealthy person took risks. They didn't just save money, they invested it. They made their money work for them. Now, I'm not saying you should take wild risks, but you don't have to be a financial expert to start investing. Start small. Learn about stocks, bonds, real estate. Get to know the basics. And then, when you're ready, take that first step. The earlier you start, the better. But most importantly, remember, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Investing doesn't have to be scary. It's about making your money work for you. And before you know it, you'll see the rewards. Conclusion. So, let's recap. Habit 1, spending more than you earn. Habit 2, ignoring personal growth. Habit 3, avoiding smart investments. These habits are holding you back, but you have the power to change them. It's time to break the cycle. Start saving, start learning, and start investing. The future you want is waiting for you, but you have to take action. Now, I want you to do something for me. Take a moment to think about these 3 habits. Which one is holding you back the most? Make a decision today to change it. Because your financial freedom starts now. It starts with you. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And comment below, which habit will you work on first? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned for more videos on how to change your life, grow your wealth, and create the future you deserve. Until next time, keep growing, keep thriving.